In this video, I will show you how to make this living room design from scratch using SketchUp, Gemini AI, and D5 Render. So let's jump to video. Hello everybody, welcome back again with me, Azul, with interior design masterclass. So today we are going to make living room design. As you can see on the screen, we have this existing really big, even a huge room for making living room. So that's gonna be two area. We have this TV cabinet area. Maybe I will put some sofa set here, and then we have this area for snack storage, maybe mini pantry, island, and island with dining maybe, but let's see later. So let's start from marking box for space planning, studying the composition, ergonomic, and proportion also. So let's start from TV cabinet area. I will make gap 20 cm for curtain. Okay, and then I will mark 200 for vertical cabinet, 100 for each cabinet. So let's mark 200 from left and right side like this. Okay, then in the middle for TV, of course, and cabinet also. So I will start making 100 cabinet, vertical cabinet or tall unit, very big cabinet. I want to make it single door for 100 module. That's a big module, by the way. Let's put 60. Yeah, standard modular cabinet. Make it component because I want to make it 4 module with same shape, but it's mirror. So let's mirror the component like this, and then copy to the right side. Yeah, nice. And then we have a TV cabinet here. I wanna make it low profile, so not too high, maybe just 25. Yeah, like this. Make it group, push it for better detail later to make a beautiful ending joint from cabinet to another cabinet. And then panel also, but upper storage because it feels very empty. We have to fill this area, maybe around here, maybe 90. Okay, so we have negative space for TV around 170. Yeah, I think that's enough. Let's put the box first and then think the detail later. Okay, pretty simple, but we have many things to play here. And then yeah, the snack area, maybe we can put 60 mark for main cabinet, and then 100 vertical here. It will looks boring if we put another 100, so I will put, oh, we have to mark a space for curtain, of course. I will make it very clean and simple, not too many detail for this design, by the way. And then we're gonna have how many modules? 60, 250 maybe. Oh, that's small. And then $250 again. 60 module, and then 100 module. Okay, and then this gonna be hidden cabinet maybe. Oh, let's start make box. Okay, 60. And then this module for mini pantry here, and then this area for maybe shelving for kitchenware, glass plate, and everything you need for snack. And then 60 cabinet, sorry, 60 cabinet, and then 100 cabinet, just to make random, to make the visual not boring. Yeah, making some dynamics. It's very good for this huge room. Okay. Nice. Then next, this hidden cabinet, so it will looks like wall panel, but behind that there is a hidden cabinet. But let's see, that's the plan, but I don't know when I detail, maybe it come out with something else, I don't know. For now it's hidden cabinet. And then we have to make island here, so I will align the, so we have the area around here because it's access area. We're gonna put something here in the pathway. This is pathway area in front of this opening. We cannot make table or a chair or put chair, table around here because it's a path. So we have this maximum. Wait, I will bigger the field of view so we can move more free and comfort. So this is the maximum. Let's try put island here, 90. And then we have clearance for 2 meters or 200 centimeter, which is very big for island circulation. But if we put chair here, then the path will be filled, which is not good. So let's mark minimum space for island. Let's put 100. Then we have 100. Okay, I think this is actually very good for island. 100. Okay, I will make 100 island because we have a huge room, so it's okay to make island bigger. Usually it's 90 for standard, but if we have much space like this, we can make it 100 or even 120, but I think 120 is too big for this space. I will go with 100 island. So we have 100 circulation here. I think it's good. Let's align the island with this module. Okay, 85 height standard. Some people make it 90, 95, even 100, but for me, I prefer choose 85 for island height. And then a dining table also. Let's align with this. Okay, we have good line and composition. Nice, beautiful, very lovely. Okay, so we have this snack area, and then TV cabinet area. What? Wait. This should be moved. Wow. Let's change the cut so we can see the TV cabinet. Okay, it's enough. Okay. The plan, because we put something, then the plan should be changed. Okay, delete the guide. Okay, beautiful, nice. I will start from TV cabinet. So that's gonna be simple cabinet. Let's make a gap. I will make, let's try for 10 centimeter. It's too big. Let's try 5. Bad composition, by the way. Proportion, sorry. Yeah, 5 is better. Let's push it for 5. Okay, 2 centimeter for door. Make it group. Two centimeter. Get group. And then maybe 1 centimeter gap from the ceiling to make a nice detail. It's a minimum, by the way, 1 centimeter, because 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 gap to ceiling, it's very risky, because sometimes in real life the ceiling is not aligned like this. Maybe some wiggling here, not line, something like that. So we have to make it gap minimum 1 centimeter, but better 2 centimeter. But I want to make it look sleek, that's why I choose 1 centimeter gap. Okay, 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter here, align with the door. Nice detail, by the way. Okay, let's make a handle groove. I will make 1.5 centimeter handle groove. Yeah, like this. It's too small. Let's add 1.5 again and push it 1 centimeter, and then move for the groove. Yeah, 1 centimeter, it's enough. Okay, nice. So it looks like this, and it looks boring. I think I wanna make it I think I wanna make it round, maybe. Okay, let's round this with this plugin. Easy. 24 offset, yeah, offset 5. Let's see. 5. I think let's try 20. But the maximum segment just 24, right? How about 30? It still looks smooth. Yeah, still looks smooth, because if not smooth we have to do it manual. Quite nice, I think. Looks good. Okay, and then I will put this. Yeah, we need gap here, 5 centimeter. Okay, nice align, beautiful. And then I will make shelf. This is not practical shelf because it's too long, so it's just decorative shelf to decorative shelf for put some LED stripe above this thing. I will make it 2 centimeter. Then move for 30. Let's see from front. Yeah, nice. And then a panel, back panel. Centimeter. Also this back panel, but I will make texture from here. For a better composition, of course. 2 centimeter. No, not 2 centimeter. It should be 2.3 or 2.5. 2.5. Okay. 1 centimeter thick. Make it component. Copy. Make it group. How many? We need to fill the space. Let's try counting the clearance. 270 maybe. Let's try. I bet on math, guys. Let's try this. Let's see. It's too much, so it should be from here. Lazy to count, guys. Okay, and let's do the magic because it's component. So let's edit this 0.3 and then 0.3 and push it for 0.6. And then now we have this barcode module wall panel. Beautiful. Pretty simple, the TV cabinet. Then we put TV here, sofa here. Yeah, that's a really quick design, by the way, but looks nice for me. Let's move to snack area. So I will start from this cabinet. Let's see, I will take reference from here. $190, no, it's too low. Let's try from this. $120, okay. Let's check the proportion. 220. Yeah, looks okay. With 5 centimeter gap from the floor, I think it's okay. Okay, let's try make the main module for this 100 tall unit. 5 centimeter, push it 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter for the door group. And then align, wait, this is wrong. Should be like this and like this. Yeah, make the door panel, don't forget. Okay, then align with the mark, make it group. I will make it really clean. I will use no handle group, just push open. I know this is very big door. I don't know the hardware suit this condition. I don't know what the hardware can do this big door push open. I don't know, but for now I just trying to make it sleek. 100 is really big door. Usually is 60 or 80, 90 is maximum in my experience. If your door bigger than 90, you have to research the hardware, by the way, but because this is just a design, so I will go with that. Next we have this pantry area. Let's say I will make it the upper storage first, and then make a special box for pantry area, mini pantry. It should be mini pantry because it's not a heavy pantry with stove and appliances, just snack preparing station, maybe you can say. 2 centimeter for a nice detail. Make it group and then offset this for 2 centimeter also. Yeah, nice. Okay, and then we can put 120 260 module, a standard pantry module, by the way, with 85. Align with the island, you have to, because it's the same area and the same function, so it should be have same height. Rotate, because I make it on wrong direction, so yeah, stupid, I know, but because I'm too lazy to retype the dimension, so just rotate it, guys. We have 2 modules, so let's make it component. That's gonna be a huge drawer module, and then we have gap here 6, so separate the space 3 centimeter. This is very useful. It's called adjusting panel, because in real life sometimes something happen, maybe your modular cannot fit perfectly, so we have this adjusting. So the installer can adjust this adjusting panel. Maybe it become 2 centimeters, sometimes it's 1.7, and yeah, something like that. The cabinet still safe, even the existing sometimes, yeah, you know, not line. Yeah, nothing perfect, guys. Just prepare for the bad case. So we have this pantry module, storage module in here, and maybe let's put a shelf. Shelf will be make it beautiful, because we can put LED stripe, and also it's very practical. You can put something you can use daily, to easy to grab. That's the plus point of shelving. Let's make gap for 70. Okay, let's see, 3 centimeter. I will make it a little bulky for a good proportion for me. Maybe 35. Yeah. Let's put one more. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's nice. Okay. And then upper storage, push it 2 centimeter, and then I will make it 60, because it's very big and you cannot make a big door opening on the upper storage, because it's not practical, because it's hard to reach. Then you have to make it easy to use. It's not 60. Let's divide it into 4 pieces of door. Oh no, wrong click, guys, sorry. Divided into 4, yeah, 4 segment. It's around how many? 62.5. That's bad. Bad number, but it's okay. 0.5 still okay. 0.3 is bad. Even maybe 0.1. It's really bad on production, trust me, guys. Make it component. No component, because the texture will be bad. So let's stick with group for door. Wrong move, guys. It should be like this and twice. Yeah, nice. Looks odd, by the way, but this looks odd, honestly. This is okay, because we have this small door here. I think this is okay. This shelving area, is this the same, right? 250, 250, yeah. Let's copy this thing because I just wanna make shelf area align with pantry area. Okay, nice. The shelving area, it's gonna be cabinet here. $60, so it looks separate from pantry. Yeah, Okay, and then we make gap 5 centimeter, and then offset 2 centimeter, push for 58, so we need the back panel, make it group, and then we make a vertical divider right here. The divider should be 2 centimeter. Make it component, push for 2 centimeter for a nice detail, and then I will make it 3 pieces of the divider. 1 2 3, it means 3 area, so 2 dividers. Delete, and then make a shelving in here. No, maybe like this. 50 should be enough. And 3 centimeter to align with this. Make it component and align with existing shelf. Align with this, and then let's try to align. No, bad. That's bad on composition. Like this, times 2. This is really bad, not functional, by the way. But this looks good. Okay, let's try another composition. I think we should align the shelf because it looks odd. First I will align with the first shelf, and second shelf I will align with the top table. Okay, and then align again here. Oops. Okay, it should be in the midpoint. We should mark first so we can get the midpoint. Oh yeah. Okay. We have gap 28. Let's try. Wow, that's so much. 28 again. Let's skip this one. Oh no. I think I have a better idea. How about this? We align with top table and then divide it into 3 pieces. and then skip this one. Let's see. Yeah, that's beautiful. Nice crossing composition. Looks nice. Yeah, I will go with this. And then this is just a simple cabinet. Now we can take from this. Just make it component, guys. Yeah, nice. No, I think we have to make it 1 centimeter gap or 2 centimeter because it looks bad, not slick. Yeah, I know the toolkit is not practical, but we need to make it looks like wall panel, so we need to do that. Yeah, and then simply I will take this, make unique, so we can push it 40 centimeter to make it become 60 module. Push it 40. Yeah, nice. Yeah. And then that's gonna be wall panel with hidden storage actually. Wait, 3. Okay, this is wrong. 1 centimeter more. Also the cabinet. Wrong move. I think bad concentration, but it's okay, we can fix it. Okay. Yeah, nice. And this is wall panel. The wall panel design, I will make it. Let's divide it into 210. Yeah, 2 is good. And then align with this. Yeah, nice. Bad line. Bad composition. I think I will go with this. Just simple wall panel with 1 centimeter gap to the ceiling. Yeah, 1 centimeter more. Yeah, nice. Okay. Oh, the pantry area. Let's push it 2 centimeter for a top table. Okay, nice. Oops, it's not component, my bad. Two centimeter. I will use 5 centimeter, which is a minimum dimension for 2 kick, because we need practical here. 2 centimeter, nice. And wide drawer, make it component is okay because it's a stacking drawer. It's okay if the wood grain will align, so component is okay. Okay, handle groove, nice. Okay, next we have island. So the island design, it should be 75 because it's for a dining table. I will make it 10 centimeter. Okay, 10 centimeter like this. Okay, and then ten centimeter to here. Okay, and then adjusting panel align with the pantry module, of course. Yeah, 5 centimeter. Okay, about adjusting, don't forget to make it component because it's a same object on a different place. Yeah, and then we can make box for cabinet base. Hmm, 5 centimeter to kick. Okay, and divide it into 4. Then I will make the top table of dining offset into the island module. Okay, this is for the structure and composition, of course. And then we have this. And another 10 centimeter for the top table. Okay, I think I have idea. Let's offset 30 and push it 30 for more dynamic looks. And then space for the chair, bigger space, which is really good. And then we need to adjust this structure. Okay, this should be like this. And then we can make a 3 centimeter gap, 5 centimeter. Nice sandwich detail, lovely. Yeah, beautiful sandwich detail. Yeah, nice. Oh, this is we need structure here, of course. So I will make it, let's try something like this. Wow, the structure it's wild. Let's check the distance. 240. No, this is bad. This is not gonna happen. Bad structure. Minimum is, in my experience, it should be 120. It should be right here. The structure, we need support structure here, but yeah, it will make the design bad if we put something like this right here. Nah, it's bad, man. I think better if we make a support structure in the middle. Let's mark first and then mark for 30 centimeter, and then in the middle. Where's the middle? Oh, no, the middle is 100 maybe. It's enough. No, too far. Maybe 80. Yeah, 80 is enough, I think. And the thickness 10, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Yeah, this is a trick for composition, by the way. Yeah, nice, better, looks better. Beautiful. So the design is complete. Now we can move to material. Wait, bad view. We can go to material setting or material apply. The material is pretty simple. On the TV cabinet side is black on white. So let's prepare the material. White color, solid color, yes. I will use this one, and we will tweak the material in render engine. In this case I will use D5 render. So make sure just material apply properly, then just for marking the material, then we will tweak it in the D5 later. This should be white. Yeah. Now you can see it's gray, but in the rendering phase it will change into white color, because if we use white color on a SketchUp, it will be confusing with the wall paint. So now for now just use this kind of light gray color, and this should be black. We'll use this black, this one, not too black, because we still need to see the line. If we use full black, then the line will be off, and that's bad for now. Also black, and this should be marble. So I think we need to add material, but stone, there is white marble, but for now let's use standard material from SketchUp, and then change it later on a D5. Yeah, like this. Okay. Also the floor. Oh, I forgot to group this one. Yes. The handle group should be black. Let's take this color, pick it up, and then apply to the handle groove. This is for decoration. More dynamic on design, trying to not looks boring, add some accent with this strong line, because the room is very horizontal, then we need to balance it with vertical line. In this area I will use some marble, same marble on the top table, and then wood. This should be marble also, the structure. Let's see, just use standard for now. Wood, let's see, yeah, this one, okay. Change the direction because it's very important. Yeah, okay. Yes, this plugin is very helpful. Okay, I will use wood floor, or this one, I think. Yeah, just for aesthetic look, just trying to look different because it's different room. Back to this wood, apply this. It should be lighter. We'll edit it. Yeah, maybe like this, a little bit yellow. Yeah, this looks like pine wood maybe, but we tweak it later on rendering page. So for now, just apply the material, just mark the shade, and tweak it later. The material is pretty simple, just wood, and then a dark color. It should be it should be component. Okay, this also. No, I will use black color here. But okay, let's try on this black. Let's see. Oops, my bad. That's too contrast. We need a new color. I think a dark brown will be good. Let's try solid color and search for like dark brown or light brown maybe. So we'll choose this one and let's see, make it darker. Yeah, like this. Yeah, that's what I mean. Let's see the composition. Oops, the top table is marble, the backsplace should be marble also. Let's see, how about wood back panel? this is not actual structure. You should make base panel, but for the design just put it. No, bad. This is better. Okay, the cabinet, let's try on wood. I think it looks good, guys. Yeah, wood cabinet with dark brown shelf. Okay, let's try this color. Let's see the difference. I think that's better. Yeah, that's better, guys. I will go with this solid color. Okay, upper storage still this. Looks good, I think. Okay, let's try this one. And the background should be wood. Yes. And shelving, this dark color. I think the cabinet should be full wood. I don't know, guys. If we want to use this, it should be like this. But it looks odd on here. This joint is really bad on production. Okay, we need a solution for this one, but I will think it later. Let's apply the whole material first. Oh, come on. Oh, should we do it one by one? My bad, guys. Last panel. I don't know, it looks good or bad. This back's place. How about marble? This looks good, by the way. Okay, I will go with this. Nice. And then let's try. What if we use wood on a shelf? Wrong direction. Yeah, sometimes you have to trying something, experimenting with the material palette. That's bad. Better dark color. Yeah, nice. Okay, so this is the final design. The material, the design. So I will decorate for real quick and come back again. So this is the final result of our design. I just put some props, furniture, sofa, chair, plant and everything, standing lamp, coffee table, to make the scene more live and beautiful, of course. And then I'm just curious, so I throw them into Gemini AI and the result just pretty wild. You can see they change the detail, they change the material, not accurate, but in the second image I think it's pretty decent, but the material it's changed, so I don't want to become like that. So we need more accurate render, so let's jump to D5 render. Usually I'm start working with Dailymo Launcher page. I'm not straight to D5 application. I usually prefer use launcher and then click open, not new, open, then open the SketchUp file. I think this is the best workflow for me, because if you open the SketchUp file using D5 launcher, then the scene will be imported, and that's very helpful because we don't need to tweak the camera from zero. We just tweak the camera from existing scene from SketchUp, and now the SketchUp does import seamlessly into D5. Then before we work, it's better we save the file, because sometimes it crashes, so it's better you save the file before start working. So now we have four scene, same as our SketchUp model. I will tweak the first view. Usually I'm start from fixing the view. Let's change the camera, the clipping. Okay, update, and then first we need to change this material, because we need the sunlight going through to the room, so we need to change the glass using standard from library, because it's already good. We just apply it and we don't have to tweak material because it's already good. And next we have curtain, of course, to make a beautiful sunlight. Wait, okay, now the light just going through yeah, the curtain we need to change. Wait, we need a better exposure here. Okay, I will change from library, of course. I have this one, Vegas curtain, linen. Okay, better we search white gauze. Okay, this is for the white one. Okay, nice. And this for the second layer of the curtain. Okay, let's see. Go to image mode, change the aspect ratio that we need. Okay, 35. Wow, it's very small. Wait, we need more clipping here. And then Okay, we need wider. I will try 45 volt of view. Going down a little bit. Still wait, we have to change the speed to get more accurate move. Okay. Clip. We need clip more. And then turn on the grid. Where's the grid? I forget. No. Asset light source, no. Asset. What's the grid, guys? Okay, forget it. I will save this scene and tweak more later. And next scene. Okay, I think this is already good, but let's change the aspect ratio. Oh, the clipping. Yeah, we need wider. I will try 45. Aspect ratio already good. Let's change the clipping a little bit. Okay. Nice. Okay. I will save the second scene, third scene. Let's turn off the clip. Okay. This is already nice. Fourth scene. Going down a little bit. Okay, beautiful. Oh no. Okay. Nice. So we have 4 scenes set. Then I will move to modular setting. First, I will change this floor. Let's see what we have here. I will use the library because it's already good, like I said before. Marble. Okay, stone, marble, and it's free list, yeah, of course, because it's free community version. I need kind of yellow tone, grass tone. I think will be good. I need the yellow one. I think this one looks nice. Let's see for another. This one, pale yellow, looks good. Wow, there is so much marble selection and all of them looks beautiful. So I will go with glassstone. Let's apply. One click, easy apply, guys. Okay, the scaling looks nice. Okay, and then we have this should be white. And little bit gloss, not metallic, but gloss roughness, maybe let's put 0.4 or maybe 0.3. Specular, let's try 0.5. Okay, yeah, that's what I want. And then we have this white marble. Let's take from library. White marble is a common material, so it's not hard to find. And D5 also have that, of course. White marble, we have this one. I will go with this Carrara white marble. It's pretty common and very famous white marble. Ooh, the scaling is so good. And then we have black material, but this is feels too black. I will make it like 20. Okay, and then metallic 0, roughness 0.4. The specular 0.3. Yeah, that's okay. 0.3. Nice. And then we have this white wall paint. I will choose from material again. It should be in plaster or wall paint. Yes. And then we have white wall paint. Nice. White wall paint, but I think we need to make this more gloss to make difference between wall paint and the furniture paint. 0.2. Okay, yeah, that's nice. Okay, and then we have wood. I'm not tweaking all material, I just tweaking the main material because I'm lazy to tweak this all of the so I'm just focusing on tweaking the main material. I think we need to scale it. It looks too small on the table. Stretch, let's try 0.3. Let's see. I think that's too big. 0.4 should be good. Yeah. And then wood, yes, this wood material. I will choose the light brown maple looks good, but I need lighter material, like yellow wood grain maybe. Let's try. Yeah, I will go with this. It's too white. Let's try another one. Sweet chestnut looks good. Let's try. Yeah, this one looks good. But wow, that's very strong grain. Yellow wood grain. Oh, that's very strong. Yellow pine. How about this? Oh, that's too strong. That's very strong. White pine. This one. Yeah, I love this texture. I will go with this texture. Okay. Wait, why this is too dark? Let's turn on the light, guys. Let's turn on this emissive to help us on working. I will go with 10 intensity. Yeah, that's better. Oh, nice. Oh, that's feels too strong. Maybe 5. Okay. Then we have this material. Roughness 0.3. Specular I will put 0.4. Nice. And then let's turn on the LED stripe here. Okay. The temperature should be 3.5K. Make it warm. Yeah. Nice. Feels too strong. Let's try one. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, nice. Nice. Oh, this is so dark. I don't know why. This is so dark. I will fix it later. I will tweak the decorative material for real quick, and then come back for lighting and HDRI maybe. Because if I record, every element will be so long. Okay, so I just finished setting up all material. Now we can move to lighting phase. I will start from the scenes. So let's move to image mode. First things, I will take the environment. I'm not using custom HDRI. I will use this. Usually I love to use 930, and then change the north offset direction and let the sunlight going into the room. Cloud no. Okay. Sun this radius to make the shadow smooth. Acoustic we don't need actually. Okay. Okay. Sun this radius. Okay, it's enough. Intensity. Let's try 1. Still too strong. Okay. The effect. I'll use automatic. Okay, let's hit 1. That's very tricky to set the natural lighting. How about 5 intensity? Oh, that's very strong. The shadow just too strong. How about 10? Wow, that's really bad. Let's try on a Jirai. I will use clear sunny. Yeah, the lighting is more smooth, and we don't need to tweak sunlight and everything. Background 0.1 and skylight 0.1 also. Okay, too dark, still too dark. How about 0.2? Yeah, this is the hardest part, I can say, tweaking the natural light. Very tricky. How about adding the sunlight? Okay. That's really bad. Honestly, that's bad. Okay, we find this looks nice and dramatic. So now we are going to put some artificial light, but before that I think I wanna put TV here. I will use TV from library. TV electrical, because TV on library is really good. if you use TV from library, there is video embed, which is good because you don't have to tweak the video texture from zero. We just put and we have a beautiful animation inside the TV, which is nice, as you can see. Okay, then we have to turn off the clip, the clipping, sorry, I mean. Yeah, okay, nice. And maybe we can change the parameter inspector. Oh, this is very strong. Very strong light from the TV. Let's tweak the exposure. Maybe we have to turn it down to 0.5 or 0.6. Yeah, I don't know why, but the TV looks very strong. Copy parameter. Let's see what happens if we paste the parameter into this scene. That's bad, really bad. I think we have to turn down the exposure. Too low. Looks good so far. Oh, that's very heavy, by the way. I don't know why. And we need lighting here, of course. The TV light looks very strong, but I don't know how to tweak the television parameter. I don't know where. Duplicate group, replace from local, no. Effect. Random size, no. I don't know why, but that looks very strong. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's move to image mode and check the clipping. The clipping is already good here. Yeah, I think we need to change the display into smooth. To get a better movement. Wow. We'll go with auto. And I will put source light here. Maybe rectangle. Align with the opening. Make sure it's aligned. Okay. Put right here, and then the reduce the radius. Okay. Visible reflection, no. Okay, let's try here. And then with precise method, let's see. Wow, that's really strong. Let's try 1 intensity. Source light, okay. Looks odd. Let me change into spotlight maybe. No, disc. I think this looks better. Yeah, this looks better. I don't know why it's very laggy. Maybe because of I'm opening SketchUp. Let's close it. Maybe we can put something here. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, frills. Furniture, sofa, cabinet. Yeah, I think we can put this solid wood cabinet here just to fill the empty room right here because it looks scary. Okay, where is it? Okay. Okay. And then move this light. Oh. And then turn up the radius. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That looks better. Let's see from here. Yeah, that's better. This TV just too strong. I think we have to fix these things. Maybe we can change into regular TV from SketchUp. Okay, let's edit it, guys. This is too strong. I can edit the intensity of the TV screen looks so bad. It's too strong. Really bad. Let's put new TV with specific texture, and I will update the 3D on D5, and we can maybe add video to the TV screen, and I will show you how to add video on TV screen. So you need to change the SketchUp model and then put specific texture. In this case, I put purple solid color, so you can easily pick the material and then change the material template into multimedia. Then you can add the media here. And in this video I will put my Singapore trip video vlog, and then let's change the intensity into 1. Oh, the scaling, we need to stretch. Let's try 0.1. Wow, that's bad. Okay, into 0.5. Wait, intensity 0.1. Okay, 0.1 looks good. Then we need to scale the UV 0.4, 0.2. Okay, 0.5. Wait, 0.02. This is very tricky to scale it. It should be 0.04, or the scale is so bad. We'll change another video. Let's see what we have here. Let's try this one. .07, 0.1, 0.3. Wow, that's wild. Okay, I will come back for real quick. Okay, finally I find a best scale for the UV map for this video texture. And then intensity, let's see. Yeah, nice. That's enough. Now we can edit the effect. Let's try 0.7, 0.65. Okay, I will keep this. And I want to put light inside here. Okay, let's put strip light, rectangle. Maybe. Okay, we need to put kind of cylinder inside this lamp. I need to edit the SketchUp file again, guys, sorry. Okay, for this lamp I will use conventional emissive material because for me it's more simple than put the light source inside this standing lamp. So let's pick inside here. Oops, wow, that's really hard. Oh, 1 point. And then you can see this red color, and let's change it into emissive. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Wow, that's weird. Let's change the temperature. 3.4K. And intensity, let's try 1. Wow, still bad, but I think that's better. Reflection caustic, no. Okay, shadow. Yeah, I think that's better. Then we need to change the exposure because it's so dark here. I will try 0.7. How about 0.8? I will go with 0.75. It's also too dark. 0.7 looks better. Yeah. Wow, that's so dark. 0.7 is enough. Okay. This glass looks odd. I will change the material. Glass. Standard glass is best material for glass. Okay. So I will render this 4 image. Let's move to image mode and then change it into 1920 or full HD. Okay, let's add into the queue every scene. And let's see the result after render. Okay, let's see the queue. Okay, this folder is already set, and let's render it. Save and render. So this is the result. Let's see. Okay, this is the first scene. Wow, this looks really bad. This looks like lightsaber. We need to change. I think emissive material looks bad on these things. I think we need to change. Maybe using point light or strip light may be better. So I need to change this. But the other scene looks good. Yeah, not bad. I think we just need to change this emissive into source light. I think point light or strip light will be good. So we need to change it, and then let's make animation after fix these things. After doing some research, finally I found how to make this standing lamp looks good. So I decided to use double side strip light. Like here you can see there is 2 strip light side by side like this. I think that looks better than using emissive or ES light or spotlight. For now, double side strip light just best solution. So I will re-render all the scene that we have, then let's see how it looks on a final result. And this is the result. Yeah, this is much better. I think that's not the best, but much better. From the front is looks beautiful, but from the side a little bit strange, but it's okay. Yeah, it's still better. So let's make animation, guys. First, let's put a custom camera on scene number 1. Add this current camera, and then change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Okay, and let's move to video mode. We have timeline here. I will add selected camera. Okay, the clipping just bad. Wait, Whoa, 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 whoa. So I will make like zooming out move from here. Okay, we can turn off the clipping and then switch. Come on. Yeah, I want to switch. Yes. And let's put 10 seconds first. Oh, the clipping just bad. I think we should go until here. How's the clipping? Okay, that's better. And then movement should be linear. I want to do auto smooth because it looks weird. So 10 seconds. Yeah, 10 second every scene actually not bad. Let's move to camera number 2 or scene number 2. A little bit laggy, guys. The file is so heavy. (16:9) ratio. Okay, back to the timeline. Add this, selected camera. Wow, the clipping. Okay. So yes, already so fine. Navigation. It's free. Rotate, pan, look around. Okay. Okay, that looks better. Let's zooming in. No constraint. That's strange clipping. Yeah, we need to turn it off. Okay, turn off. Another 10 seconds. Move linear. Okay, let's see, guys. Yeah, I think that's nice. Scene number 3. aspect ratio, don't forget. And select it. The simple move is going side. Oh, okay, I have an idea, guys. So maybe we can start here. And we can play with depth of field in here. Yeah, focus in here. Slide to the right, and then here we can change focus to here. Okay, that's nice. Maybe 8 seconds because it's shorter than last scene. Let's see. Yeah, 8 seconds should be enough. But I think it should be on the first scene, right? Like opening scene. No. Living room is still good, I think. Next, the last scene number 4. Okay. Current camera. Don't forget to change the aspect ratio, of course. Back to timeline or video mode. Then add selected camera. Maybe we can move from here, seeing the TV. Seeing the TV cabinet until until here. Okay, let's try on 10 seconds. Linear, yes. Let's see. Okay, that's cool. So yeah, this is the animation. Is very simple, simple move. Not too many camera move. Just a simple moving forward, moving to the side. Just a simple animation, guys. And just trying to show the whole room using simple camera move. There is no fancy cinematic and fancy depth of field camera move, just a simple move. So let's render it, guys. I'll render it on 1080. Okay, and yeah, let's render it.